Well, hello and welcome to Jessic Biking. Right now I'm at Spectacle Island, one of my player homes, and just yesterday I downloaded the new holiday Christmas package, and I decided to show it because I'm really excited about this. There's a couple items up there that you can use all year long, and then there's about 3 items. There are different fireplaces. First off, there's lighted Santa Clauses, stars, candles, nutcracker, ice canes, sugar canes, a Santa Claus with a sleigh and a reindeer, gingerbread house, just to name a few. And there's stockings on the chimney mantle or the fireplace mantle, and there's different kind of fireplaces. Okay. And believe it or not, there's 2 different kind of Christmas trees, one big one, one small one, and they even have lighted ornaments on them. Yes, sir. That you can stick right up there, and there's a plate with candles there, and it also has the type of fireplace that you would find at Sanctuary. And also, believe it or not, there's a Vault Boy tree topper. And then there's 3 lengths of lighted string of bulbs, Christmas lights, small, medium, and long, that you can really go crazy. I'll get out of my power suit. Icicles, stockings, you name it. I mean, there's a large assortment of different kind of stockings and candy canes, bulbs, I mean, and presents that are already wrapped up and ready to go to put under the tree, and even has a lighted Christmas tree there in the center. Here we go. A straw goat. And like I said, I'm really excited because there's a lot of stuff up there you're going to be able to use. Not only during Christmas time, we even got lighted wreaths, believe it or not. That I'd seen in my Croup Manor video. It shows up better because I don't have it on the metal part where I have electricity. But you know, like I said, if you really want, like I said, you can use the 2 fireplaces or 3 fireplaces if you want to do normal building. So this is Michael from Jessic Biking saying you got to get this, folks. I'm really ecstatic about and excited that I was able to see some new packages. I also have the Denor, the Charleston condo, the modern day furniture, the Nuka World. I haven't done anything with it yet, but I'm getting ready to. Probably might buy the not the Sanctuary, but the stop there at Diamond City, home plate, and maybe put a small Nuka-Cola thing in there. So until, like I said, I'm really enjoying this particular package up there, and I have to thank Joel Smith for getting me interested in the Creation Club with the Slocum Joe. I've done a lot with it in different aspects, using it on the bus, building the buildings up there in Echo Lake and places like that. So if you really want to improve your building and the appearances of your settlements, you got to look into the Creation Club. I don't think you'll go wrong. So until next time, this is Michael from Jesse Viking wishing you a good week. Bye now.